Just listed. Open house Saturday, April 5, 2025, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Large, 2,400 square feet ranch featuring 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, all on the main level. Many updates including but not limited to: insulation, doors and triple pane windows 2024, roof 2019, water heater 2019, electrical panel 2019, painted exterior 2020, gutters and gutter guards 2020, water softener 2020. Open living room featuring wood-burning fireplace with insert that gives real heat off. From this area is the screened porch for those summer evenings. Primary bedroom with private bathroom, all bedrooms are good sized. Kitchen features updated laminate wide plank flooring, good storage space, appliances included.